Ebi byona byagambwa rizoba omushomo ogwaba kugenderera ku isi y'abakuru ba za district abanebiri zaburegera izoba emyuga yabo omuhurreji kandi aba harimo ba DPC, DISO, DEO, bakao n'abachairman ba za district says. Omushomogu gutebekanisiibwa ekitongole kya NERA ekitongole kya gavumenti ekyakwasibwa omwoga gw'okuhandikisa abantu bonna omu ihanga Uganda ngu bakatunga endangamuntu kandi abokweta omushomogu n'okureeba ngu abeebembezi abo bateekateeka okutandika kuhandikisa abeegi b'amashomero okutandikira aha myaka 5 okuhika aha myaka 16 ngu nabo batunga endangamuntu.
Matter of possible existence of ghosts in primary and secondary schools resurfaced again during the cabinet.
The registration for exams will oscillate around the means. So this business of impersonation and sitting in someone's place will soon be eliminated.
Dr. Benon Mutambe nagira government eshanje ngu yabetakozire eki ekiriyo neferwa sente abokuba buri mwaka nebaferwa billion 2 z'esente za Uganda na mnongo mashomero ga government n'ebindi bitongore.
In terms of capitation grants, school facilities grant, teachers' salaries, and instructional materials.
Nobe byona byagambwa bamwe mbebembezi baheruka kwerakira omuhurreji n'ubu bariyo nibagira ngu neyo kutandika.
You have UCE mock exams, UACE mock exams, and the examination period. It shouldn't be tampered with.
But the issue of schools have not yet been resolved. My chairman has told you he has not gone deeper, but it is still a big question.
Headmaster bana bona bakahandikwa nabwo kitaro headmaster ushemerire kukwanga gukora ikintu eti wabura kukikora ishomero ryawe nza kutunga ikibonerezo abo kwancu mayisanga abana ba Uganda wabanaga heru tuwabatomo omukibaruka abandi.
Omushomogu gwahwa buri muntu bari kumushaba kuza korogwe kandi bongere kumanyisa abantu akarungi akari omuhurreji n'ekiriyo nikigenda omu maisho. Aha bwa TV West ni Senyamo Gideon aho muri Mbarara.